Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view privacy report in iOS 27. Privacy report in Safari shows you how websites are tracking you and how many trackers have been blocked. So first of all, you need to open the settings app, and once you reach under the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and you need to select this privacy and security. Then you need to scroll down until you find this app privacy report here. Under this transparency log, select there, and over here you need to simply tap onto this turn on app privacy report, and that is it. App privacy report records the data and sensor access app and website network activity here, and this helps you understand how website handle your data and improves your browsing privacy over here. And that is it. That's how you can view your privacy report in iOS 27. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.